my favorite. I'm so excited. I'm perfect. This is for my men. I'm joking. But anyways, yeah, this is. Hey, thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you're all keeping well. If you're new here, thanks for joining in. I'm Amida. I talk about style, fashion, hair, and anything interesting we throw in the mix. I'm going to be doing an ASOS haul. Whoop whoop. I haven't done an ASOS haul for a minute now, so I just thought I would go on ASOS and find some essential pieces that you're all gonna love and would be a nice addition to your wardrobe. So let's get right into it. Here is the first outfit. Okay, I love these pants. So these are Bermuda shorts. It's got elasticated waist there, a band in front, and the leg, so it's just above your knee. I love these shorts. I've been wanting a black short for like a while now, and the material is, let me see, what material is this? And the material feels quite soft and a little bit stretchy as well, so it gives you room to move about. So yes, I really love these shorts. A nice fit, and I feel like I can wear this in the summer, in the spring. I can even wear this in the winter with over the knee boots. So these shorts, if you want to make it look super dressy. So I've just added a black belt with gold buckle here, and I've got the Zara top. Watch out anyway for the next haul. So this is a Zara top that I've got one shoulder, a little bit of side boob there, and that's how it is at the back. So I just thought it looks quite nice with it, and I'll just pair it with this. So yeah, I think this looks super classy and super stylish as well. So you can dress, it can be dressed down and it can be dressed up. So this is just another way that you can actually style this. So it's just not a one-trick pony. You can wear it multiple ways. And again, I got this top, this textured texture. So this textured wrap top with puffy sleeves. So I'll bring it. The material is stretchy like, and it's an off-white material, and that's I like the elasticated puffy sleeves. It will fit anyone. I think this is a good must-have in your wardrobe. It will go with a lot of things. Again, I'll try them on and show you. And next up we've got my favorite. I'm so excited. I'm super excited about this addition to my wardrobe. These babies, these shorts, I love these shorts. I just adore them. It's kind of like wide leg, and this is ASOS own design. Sorry, this one is Monkey on ASOS, and this one is Bashka on ASOS. So for those of you who don't shop on ASOS, ASOS is an online fashion store that loads of vendors sell their items. So you can get items from so many vendors around the world, not just the UK, all over. So you have loads, and then you've got ASOS own design. I really love ASOS own design, so most of the time when I'm shopping I look for their own design because it's high-end, high quality. It's a little bit pricey, but I'm looking for key pieces in my wardrobe and quality pieces that I'm going to have a lot of wear out of. So I'm super stoked about these shorts. I love them. It's like, it's the same knee length Bermuda shorts. It comes with this belt, this like animal print belt with big buckles. So not only am I getting the shorts, I'm also getting a belt that I can wear in so many different ways. And I actually got these in a size 12 because it's actually sold out. It's only size 12. So I will try them on and then show you. I have so much plans for these shorts, whether in the winter, whether in the summer. I feel like I can get so much, and it's so fashionable, it's so high-end. I'm just super excited to add this particular short into my wardrobe. Yeah, you can see the color now. I don't know, it's like buttermilk kind of color, like nudie color, but I love it. I really love it. it's one of those material that get creased quite easily, so I will need to get my steamer on it and yeah, make it look fabulous for you guys. So this is another one that I got. This is by Lasula, I believe, on ASOS. So this is also a dress. This is it's got a sweetheart neckline there. It's got the sleeves, so you can wear the sleeves off the shoulder or up like this on the shoulder, and it's just like, it's like a skater style sweetheart neckline dress. It's hold your waist there, and then it's wide. The material is nice, but I feel like it's a little bit cheap, but it stretches as well, so it would fit a lot of, it's not like limiting you, so you'll be able to like move about. So I like it, but I don't love it, and it's a little bit big. I just opened the package, came in yesterday, so I just opened it to try on. I don't really like it. This is definitely going for the last. And then I got these. I'm really into like intricate lace kind of underwear, so I got these. This is a lace bralette. You can't really see it properly. Let me get it out of the bag. Yeah, so I kind of love this type of, I don't know, the light, it's not doing it justice properly. I'm trying to put it where you can see the color, but it's just a lovely, nice, oh yeah, orangey bralette. It's got no kind of bone, so it's, I think it's normally good if you have like smaller boobs. So I got this in a medium. It's from the brand Monkey. I just love underwear like this, lingerie like this. It's just so nice, and you can wear it under your shirt, you can wear it under your t-shirt if you don't want to wear anything too like tight or restrictive in terms of bra. But I really like lingerie like this. This is like my kind of lingerie, but I should not be trying it on for you now. This is for my men. I'm joking, but anyways, yeah, this is thing that I got. This I'm not pretty sure. So this is the same. It's quite similar to that one, but it's not really lacy. This one is a bit more of a stretchy material with like the black and white design there. I'll find a picture of the model and then put it on. So this is like a black and white design, and then it's the same. It's got no bone, and then this is the underwear. This is like like a high waist. I'm trying to, yeah, so you can see. So this is like high waist. The light, you can't really see it properly. I'm trying to figure out where I can show you so you can see. But it's like a high waist kind of underwear. It feels like it feels more like a granny pants. It's nice, but I don't really like the material, so this is definitely a no. But the set is actually a nice set, and it's so. And I've got one more thing. Drum roll, please. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. I got these. I love. I don't know if you can see this properly. I really like these. These sandals are just gorge. They are like, oh, I love them, but they are so pricey. They are £60. I'm still debating if I'm going to keep it, but trust me, it looks so expensive. Balenciaga has been doing a lot of wide too, but this is not just even because of the Balenciaga. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this. The material is leather, like proper leather, and like it's just so super stylish. You see when I try on, just like I'm in love. Like I really like this. The heel is super comfortable, and the heel is like painted, and it's just so chic, and it's just so feminine. Like when you try it on, again, it is on the pricier side, but I just love it. So maybe I'll just have to return all of these things and just keep this, because I feel like this is going to be a good investment. So I really like this. Is like my favorite thing. And the shorts that I show you, the ASOS design shorts. So now let's get into the fun bit where I'm going to try it on and show you how I'm going to style it. I don't know, I'm dancing, but I'm excited. Can you tell? And the shoe, I just love, I live for this look. Like Just so gorgeous. Really, really like it. This gives you a full shot of the entire outfit. Well, I am so pleased with this haul, and if you've watched this far, please like, subscribe, click on the notification bell. Help you girl, I'm trying to grow my subscribers. Hopefully we get to 1,000 subscribers soon, within the next 2 months. So thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in the next one. Stay safe. Mwah.